Worried about your aloe vera leaves growing thin and leggy? Well, in today's episode, let's look into 3 useful tips on how to grow thick and fleshy aloe vera leaves. Coming up. Aloe vera plant needs no introduction. I'm sure most of us have an aloe vera plant in their homes, either indoors or outdoors in the garden. Aloe vera is one of the NASA recommended air purifying plant which has been proven to remove the harmful benzene and formaldehyde from indoor spaces. Now, let's look into 3 simple and useful tips on how to grow thick and fleshy aloe vera leaves. At number 1, sunlight. This is one of the most important factors that decides the thickness of your aloe vera leaves. The common reason for thin, long or leggy aloe vera leaves is keeping them indoors in spaces with not enough sunlight. No doubt, it's a hardy plant that can survive low light conditions, but it won't grow to its full potential if you do not keep it in direct sunlight. Remember, to get a thick and fleshy aloe vera plant, you must provide direct sunlight of at least 6 to 8 hours, like starting from early morning sun till noon sun. Try to avoid the harsh noon sun, which can sometimes burn the leaf tips and edges, especially in summer season. If you prefer to keep it all day in direct sunlight, you can install a 50% green shade net to protect it from harsh sun and let it enjoy the pleasant sun for the entire day. If you're growing indoors, you need to keep it in full direct sunlight at least 2 to 3 times in a week. Or you can also grow it under a good quality LED grow light. At number 2, rotation technique. This is another useful trick to keep your plant healthy and get those thick and fleshy aloe vera leaves. To keep your plant growing evenly, rotate the container at least a couple of times every week so that all of its leaves gets an equal amount of sunlight for photosynthesis. At number 3, watering. This watering trick for aloe vera is the most important tip to get thicker and fleshy aloe vera plant. You know, aloe vera is a drought resistant succulent plant which stores most of its moistures in its leaves in the form of gel. We all know the medicinal and various other uses of this aloe vera gel. We'll not discuss about that in this video. To understand this trick, you need to know what happens to aloe vera when you deprive it of water. If you let the soil go very much dry for too long, your plant will begin to use the water reserves in its leaves, causing them to shrivel and shrink. Of course, we do not want this happen. So, the right technique to water aloe vera is, yes, deprive it of water, but not too long. Make it a lot thirsty first and then provide it with lots of water to drink. Practically, this is done by allowing the top 2 inches of the soil to dry out completely. You can check this using the finger dip method or a moisture meter if you have. Water it only if the top soil is completely dry, and watering should be thorough and deep till the water flows out of the drainage holes. This simple hack helps to grow aloe vera leaves thicker and fleshy. If you want to know the complete care tips for aloe vera plant like fertilizers, pot selection and other useful points, you can check my detailed video on aloe vera tips from this end screen link or from a link in the description below. Please like, share and comment below with your feedback and queries. Happy gardening!